Chicken Church or Gereja Ayam is located in the middle of the forest on the island of Java. When it first appeared, this strange design of the church caused people to argue. Some people think this building is haunted, but in fact it is a church built by Daniel Mocha. He designed the building itself to resemble a pigeon that appeared in a dream. A crown is placed on it to symbolize holiness, but people think it is a rooster's crest. So this place began to be called the Chicken Church instead of the Dove. The building was built in 1992. In 2000, the project was abandoned due to financial problems. Without a caretaker, the building is severely degraded. Weeds grow around. 15 years later, the rooster became famous and the work continued. The prayer room, the mini museum at the church was completed. The staircase leads to the crown, the most beautiful place to watch the sunrise. Did you find this design interesting? The luxurious J Hotel located on the top floors of the Shanghai Tower has officially opened after a delay due to COVID-19. The hotel has a total of 165 rooms with a high-class restaurant located on the 128th floor. This place can also enjoy spa services, swimming pool, bar. On the 84th floor, the elevator takes guests up this skyscraper at a speed of 18 meters per second. During the opening period, the lowest price for a night was $450. The price of a J Suite Deluxe room is about more than $10,000 for one night.